All right, so this is a quick video that I just wanted to make for all Atom spray gun owners. This is a customer's spray gun that we got. He said it wasn't spraying correctly. And I noticed, I just gave him a brand new cap and tip kit. I noticed that he didn't mention that he dropped the spray gun. All right, or put it down incorrectly or whatever, because the cap here is bent. All right, this is the damaged one, and he said it wasn't spraying correctly. Yeah, if you drop your spray gun on the tip, all right, you're gonna damage something. So this is a damaged side here, and who knows what it did to the tip. But it was spraying on an angle, okay? And he was saying the fan wasn't spraying correctly. So we gave him a whole new tip kit here. Just remember, guys, when getting your spray guns, clean them after every use. Take care of them. They're highly precision made pieces of equipment, and if you don't take care of them, they're gonna go bad. Sometimes this packing nut here in the back will be a little bit loose coming from the factory because they just don't want to tighten it, over tighten it too much. They want the user to basically adjust it the first time they get it when they spray. So you might have to adjust this. I wouldn't touch it until you put some paint in it and test it out. If you see or feel that you got some air coming out here or a little bit of paint, easily get a 8mm wrench and just give it a little tighten, just a very little, because you don't want to tighten it too much. The needle will get stuck as you spray. Right? So you're just going to give it a little tighten, and then that should stop the air or fluid leaking out of here. It's just the nature of the beast. Okay? Some other spray guns are also like this. All right? They just don't want to over tighten it. So just give it a little smidge, and once it's fine like that, then you're good. Leave it alone, and it's most likely not going to come loose. All right? And that's pretty much it. Clean your guns really well. Take them apart after each use. Okay, this is a 10mm. Tip comes out. Get the brush. Clean it up really well. Be sure not to strip this material here. All right, this is a high composite plastic material. Do not strip it. If you do, we do have rebuild kits, but try to take care of them, all right? If you put these on correctly, go backward first, wait till it clicks in, and then tighten it up, okay? Also, try not to damage this plastic ring here. All right, we will have extras in your spray gun kit. So if you need to replace it, it's as easy as literally taking this tip off and this whole plastic piece comes out. You put the new O-ring around here and then you just put it together. All right, what else? All right, when you tighten it up, make sure it's level like this, and then you give it a quick snug. You don't have to over tighten it. You don't have to over tighten your cup. All hand tight is fine. This is your fan, this is your trigger pull, your fluid flow here. One good way to adjust this is, I like to go all the way out, right? Squeeze it, go in, and right when you feel that it gets tight, right? That means it's touching. You're gonna just give it like 1/8 of a turn. 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn, and that's wide open fluid flow. You want to have wide open fluid flow when painting, base coat or clear coat. All right, leave it wide open. You can adjust the volume by your trigger. It's better to adjust it here as you're painting than at the knob. All right, leave it wide open because 90% of the time you're going to be using wide open fluid flow when painting. If you're dusting an area, just go pull the trigger lightly and just dust it. Dust the area like that. Okay, you don't have to go full force to dust something, right? This is your fan width. Be sure you keep this clean as well. Sometimes you're going to notice it's going to start to get gunky and hard to turn. That's because you got overspray on this knob here on the inside and it's getting tight. But you can see this one's perfect and it's fine. I would not recommend taking this bolt out. Leave this in place. If you have to clean, just clean this along the side here when you're washing your gun out, okay? This I would leave because it's factory sealed. There's Loctite on it. It's not supposed to be disassembled. Everything else can be disassembled. This I actually wouldn't take off as well. This is your main air pressure inlet adjusting knob. I would also leave this wide open. Leave this wide open, hook this up here, right? You got your basic water filter. I like to have these on as extra insurance. So I tighten mine up. I put this on here, and then I wide open this. Okay, I wide open this. So it's wide open. All right, this is where you adjust your pressure. You pull your trigger, you wait till this is like about 27, 28 PSI, right? Airflow, adjust this at 28 PSI, 27, 28, and you're good for overall base coat, clear coat painting. At times you're gonna need a little bit more, but the range is 26 to 28. On the line is about 29 PSI when spraying base coat, clear coat. Don't pay attention to what it says on here, okay? Because it's just a different reading. Sometimes they give you air pressure cap reading, which people don't even go by. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you liked the video. This is a basic overall information video for any Atom spray gun owner. And it doesn't even matter. It could even be a SATA or whatever other spray gun you're using. These tips go to basically any other gun. All right, hope you enjoyed. Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Have a great day. Please like the video, share it, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.